If you're a crafter like me, you know how important it is to have good lighting. Watch today's video. I have an answer for you. I am mind-blown excited to show you the lamp that BenQ has mailed us to test out for the crafting. I use it in the office. Just amazing amount of applications for this lamp. So I'm going to take you through the video of the features that I like about it, and if you're interested, the link is down below. It is one of those that I was happy to say, yes, we'll tell everyone about this lamp. Okay, first of all, super nice long cord. I've had a lot of different lights that they're not long enough to be able to get them to the area you want, but this is super thick. So notice that right away. Again, this lamp is 9.5 pounds. There is no tilting. I mean, I am really shaking this. There is no tilting this lamp. Then also it is super adjustable, that you can go down, up, tilt. And if you're doing videos like I'm doing videos often, wow, this is really going to change how I can get the lighting so that everything can be seen. But look at it, it swivels really sweet. The assembly was nothing. It's just a matter of putting this onto the base. But the controls are super cool. So let me change the lighting here so you can see how the controls work. Okay, I'm still in the craft room. I've just turned off the lights, so the light that is coming in right now is just through the curtains. To turn on the lamp, it's a touch lamp. It's super cool. So you just touch it and you turn it on. The knob on top, you can change the brightness and the warmth by turning the dial, which is super cool. What is even cooler, you can put it into auto dimming mode where it takes into account the light around you. So if you hold the ring up here, up at the top for 2 seconds, you'll watch a little light change color. So there you see that the light turned orange. That is called book reading mode. Touch it 2 more seconds, and it turned green. That is for screen mode. And you can see how the light changed. So I'm going to do it again with the camera further away. There we're in book mode. And again, it's taking into account what's going on around you. And there's screen mode. So it would be taking into account the reflection of the screen. But you can always go back to your own. The light goes away when you dial this. So super cool. So easy application for doing all of the weeding for cricketing. In fact, I have some that I have to weed, so let me see how that works. And it's black, so that might be really cool to see. Okay, so I still have all the lights off in my sewing room, and I have it on a pretty bright. I didn't do the auto mode, so we'll just see what it looks like for weeding. Oh my goodness, that's going to be a game changer. So fantastic in the sewing room, obviously. Okay, and here it is, having it by my chair. I'm working on embroidering a dress and quilting a baby blanket, so I'm always sitting in the chair during TV time. Really impressive. And I love it because the base is so heavy that it's not going to fall and just be all loose. So very cool for handwork as well. Okay, I brought the light into our office. Oh my goodness, it is so easy to adjust is what I'm loving. You've probably had products where you put it out and then over time gravity takes over. This is just super sturdy. And so I have it on the screen mode, and they put in their box that they suggest for the screen just to put it right above the top of your screen. But you can see my work area. This is really going to be nice. So I have one light. I think I'm going to have to get another one for the office and one for the sewing room. Well, this wasn't my typical DIY video. Usually I'm showing you how to do something. This one, I'm really grateful to show you a tool that is really going to be a game changer for me. So thank you so much for BenQ for sending us the lamp. I have the link down below. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. But as always, thank you for watching DIY on the House.